Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So this video is little different from the other videos that I do. In this video I am sharing my yearly planner with you all that I have made it, and if you want you can copy it or do some changes as required. But before starting the video, if you're new here, then please subscribe to my channel, press the bell icon for notification. I post reviews, DIYs and tutorials, so stay connected by subscribing. So I've used a simple spiral binding notebook. If you want you can choose whatever suits you. And the first page starts with written 2019 and a quote that you can find on my Insta as well. Then on the next page I've just written simple in January, and I'm using pencil colors to color it. Since the pages are very thin, so using sketch colors are a bit messy, so I'm using pencil color. So for the next page, here I'm making the monthly planner, like for the monthly what I want to see on my monthly basis, what I want to do on monthly basis. So for the left corner I have written the calendar, and on the right side I have written monthly targets. Below the calendar I have written the expenses, that whatever I will be making, and next to it I have made a column for birthday or anniversary, whatever they will be in that particular month. And at the end there is a box for expenses and upload and post. So my daily planner starts from the next page, which includes a main to-do list and some small target list which I need to do on daily basis. And I've left some space so that I can include another task that I need to do that particular day. I have even included a box for my business post, like whatever photos or videos I have to post on that particular day, so I can write in that. Just to be sure I don't make any mistakes, so I have written that with pencil and then I'm doing it with black pen. But obviously if you're sure enough, then you can go with the pen directly. So this is how the pages of the planner looks like. This one is the monthly planner side, and from the next page will be the daily planner. This video is inspired by Saloni Srivastava. She has recently launched her planner. I will leave the link in the description box. Do check her channel out. I have also included a tracker that will include my YouTube, Instagram video recorded, edited, published, so that I have a clear idea what I have done and what is left. So the final planner looks like this, and on the cover page I have written a quote, and on the next page as well. Like these are some of my very favorite quotes, so I have written them on the cover page. Then this is the first page with the year and a quote as well. You can find the same quote on my Instagram. And then on the next page I've written goals 2019, like whatever goals I will like to accomplish this year, I will write it over here. And then on the next page is the month name written, and for the next page the planner starts. So for the tracker part, I have selected the part that I do on daily basis, that is YouTube and Instagram, so that I have a clear idea of what I am doing and what is left. You can change it according to your choice, like whatever you do or whatever you want to track, you can include that. I usually plan my day a night before, so that in the morning I just have to focus on one part at a time. I even don't make the whole planner in one go, like I do it on weekly basis or on monthly basis. This was all for this video. I hope you enjoyed it. If this helped you in any way, then do like it and share it with your friends. You can also follow me on my Instagram and Facebook so that you get update about upcoming videos. The links are in the description box. So till my next video, take care and bye bye.